Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix connection problem with your TCL MoveAudio S180. So take a look. When I try to connect them to my phone, after a few moments I will get this pairing request that they cannot communicate with my phone, even when they appears on the pairing mode, and the pairing mode and the Bluetooth is still available, because as you can see my phone is still searching for available devices. So first of all, I can recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth list on your phone, then power off Bluetooth. Next, remove these earbuds from the case. If you already have them out of this case, just put them back, close the case and then take them off, and just take a look on these indicators. Let's see if the pairing mode will be enabled as default. If it is not working, just make this trick. Okay, never mind. As you can see, it just turns on automatically right now. So go to pair new device, click to connect. Okay, looks like it's working right now after normal or like soft reset of the earbuds and the Bluetooth settings. But when this pairing mode it's not enabled as default, you just have to click like that on the touch control panel. 1, 2, and the third time click and hold for the 2 seconds, and after that release and just wait until one of this earbud start blinking blue. Of course, in my case it's not working right now because I'm already connected with them. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.